Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys all the productive things you can do from your iPad. So, let's go. Okay, so in my case, I have the iPad Pro 5th generation with the Magic Keyboard. But I'm going to show right here every single different iPad generations and keyboards that you could use. And I also have the Apple Pencil right here that goes up there. That is the 2nd generation, but I'll also show the 1st generation and all the compatibilities within them right here. Okay, so here you can see my screen, my iPad screen. I have a little quote that says, "Do it now, you'll thank yourself later," which is really cute. Basically, with this keyboard, since it includes the trackpad, you can actually see the little marker right here going, which is really cool. It's really weird to see that on an iPad, but yeah. You can actually make reminders, make a list with different colors, and it would actually send you a notification reminding you of that assignment or that thing that you are putting right there. So you can also use notes, and in notes there's this area right here that has a circle and a check mark. Basically, you can make a to-do list. I'm writing scribbles right now, but basically it just does that, and you can actually mark it when you're done. And there's also a feature which I don't have it on right now, but you could actually, that when you mark it, it would go like at the end of the line, so you would have at the top just the things that you haven't done, which is really cool. And you can also draw on it. You can use the Apple Pencil and use a ruler and make a straight line, or you can just draw in general. Okay, so now I'm going to enter to the productivity folder, which is where I have the majority of the apps that are, well, obviously for school or for being productive. For example, I have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and also Pages, Numbers, and Keynotes. The iPad actually comes with Pages, Numbers, and Keynotes, and I downloaded Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. Also, something really interesting, if you're a college student, you might be able to get an Office account for free. It really depends. I don't know how it really works. I know with my college username, I actually get it, and I can use Word, PowerPoint, and Excel and everything of Office with that account without having to pay for it, which is a help they usually do for students. Okay, so basically something I saw online on a YouTube video that I really found interesting is you can either do your to-do list on notes or on reminders, or you can actually go to Excel. You could create a chart, which is really cool, because if you have your same account, like your same Excel account on your computer, phone, or iPad, anything you share to your OneDrive, you will be able to see it on every single computer or phone that has the exact same Microsoft Office account. Okay, so basically the way you can do this to-do list on Excel, I saw it on a YouTube video and it was really interesting, and I actually did it at the end of my last semester. Basically, you would write like homework or assignment or whatever it is, and then you would write date. Basically, then you can go and write test, for example, 1, test 1. Basically, I'm writing the same thing, but let's say it's just in different classes. And you can go August 3 and August 1. I know those dates already passed. I'm just using random dates to show you guys how it works. Basically, then you can actually take this, and let's say this is math class, and you painted a color, and then go here go again to the same place. Let's say it's a science class, and you paint them a color. And every single assignment for math class goes under the exact same color, and every single assignment for the other classes goes on the exact same color. You could actually start filling it up with everything you have from one class, everything you have from another class, and then at the end you will grab everything that you have, go to data, the oldest to newest on date, and it will actually get it in order of the dates. And when you're done, something you can do is you go here and you click on that ABC. In the computer it was different. It was way harder to find, and I think you had to go to an area. I don't remember how it was, but you had to go to an area and actually look for a scratching, something like that, and it'll actually scratch it. But you could actually do it on the computer too. But I'm guessing it's easier here on the iPad, since you just click that ABC with the line and it will scratch it. So obviously I have Dropbox, where sometimes you have to send something on a shared folder, or you can just use it for yourself and open it and share something there and open it in many other places. Another thing you can do like that is with your finders. Right here it is, the app for me. If you have any other Apple product under the exact same Apple ID, you will be able to see everything that's on finders everywhere. You can actually save it to your desktop from here and open it on your MacBook on the desktop, which is something really, really cool. So the next app I'm going to talk about is GoodNotes. GoodNotes is amazing. Basically, you have to pay for it. I think it's like 7 or 8, around $7, $8, or $9 for the app, but it is amazing. You can create a notebook, a folder, you can scan documents, add photos, import. The great thing is you can import, so if you were to scan something and then you have to add another PDF file to that PDF file, you can do it really easily by just importing one and then importing another one on top of that one, and you'll be able to just save that entire thing as a PDF, which is really convenient when you have to add a lot of things to already a PDF. Great thing also, if somebody sends you a PDF that you have to write on top, here is where you could import the PDF and actually write on top of it. You can create a notebook, and over here you can change all the colors, and you can actually look for one and make your exact color that you want. So you will be able to write. Actually, while you're inside a notebook, you can actually add and import a document or any scanned photo. You can actually, here's no more templates. Here are the different colors: yellow, white, dark, and all. So you can actually have it landscape or portrait, and choose whatever you want to add to the notebook page. So first of all, we have the Photos app. So whether you're being productive consists of posting online or making YouTube videos, you could use any of these apps right here. So in my case, I use PixArt to make the thumbnails of the videos. I also use Canva for similar reasons. iMovie, actually edit all my videos on iMovie, but on my computer, but you can actually do it from your iPad, and it works pretty well. There's Clips. I haven't really used this app, but I'm guessing you can also edit, but just smaller clips. GarageBand, if you're onto music and you're making your own song, you could start by sampling it, like, you know, making a small version there. I guess that you can do a bigger version. I don't know, I haven't made my own song, but yeah. Photo booth. Lightroom, where you could edit your photos or thumbnail photo or whichever, whether you're a social media influencer and you're posting your pictures, that's a great place to edit. And you can actually create your own presets by the way you edit a specific photo. and save it, and you can edit all of your pictures the exact same way so they all look similar. And there's VSCO or VSCO, which you can also use for editing your pictures. And there's also an account there, which people can see your pictures, but I don't know, I really don't use that account yet. Fonto, I use it a lot for the thumbnails. That's the way I write the name of the video on like an arc or something, which is really interesting. So yeah, those are the apps I have there. I also have in productivity Procreate, which also is a paid app, but it's really, really cool. And actually I did my own self there, which is at the beginning of the video when the whole like intro came along. At the end there was that picture. Basically what I did is I used that picture and I created another layer and basically painted on top of it to make it look like it's like a drawing sort of way, and it is really cool and it actually helps. So it can, if you're into drawing and making your own, like, I don't know, like you're into creative design, designing anything that involves drawing, this app is also pretty great to make your drawings since you can create many layers. You can also use Photoshop on your computer, but then this is a part that could help you too. Another thing that could help you be productive that is probably not, talked that much, or is not that like, explained on the certain things, is music. It can help you stay productive if you're one of those people that you like, for example, cleaning or while you're making a review, and it helps you stay productive to just have music in the background, because if not, you sort of get like, I don't want to do this. So listening to music does help you stay productive too. So yeah, that is basically all that I have on my iPad to stay productive, any single information that I have. As I showed earlier, I have the Magic Keyboard, but there's many different types of Magic Keyboards, or you could buy a Bluetooth keyboard for your iPad. Basically this one, I don't know if I showed earlier, but you can actually charge your computer on one side, so you could put like a pen drive or something on this side while your iPad is charging. Also, something really cool is the way you can like stand your iPad, so like you could put it legit like that, or more to the side, straight, and it will just stay there. It is completely magnet over here, and it connects on this side with the little like 3 dots that the iPad has on that side. That is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it showed you many ways to stay productive on your iPad and many ideas. And yeah, bye. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.